my gosh, we're going on a ride! Just brushed past my head. No, Sophia, don't touch it. Don't touch it. Ow! Why do I keep getting hit by bushes? Oh my gosh. Whoa! I kept getting hit in the back of the head. Oh my gosh. From bushes and trees. Oh. Whoa. Wow. That was like...
What?
My head kept getting hit. And it was crazy. Oh my gosh. Why did I keep getting hit? Seriously, that hurt. Why are you picking your nose, Grandpa?
Because you got boogers.
Because a fly went up your nose?
Mm-hmm.
I know what you mean. Remember that one time when we were going to Roy's house? And I swallowed like 2 or 3 flies on the way? Because I kept sticking my head out the window like a dog. Remember?
We went to Roy's house?
Well, it had that big fat pig that loved being rubbed on the belly.
His dad's house, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll be Roy's house here soon.
Why?
Because he's taking that house and his dad just built a new house.
Whoa. Wow. Okay then.